twirl in the magic of the cosmic light, the shimmering galaxies will find our way. Guided by love's everlasting sway, with the celestial heartbeat we dance on in this cosmic gate. Midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust's gentle flow.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor. Today I'm here inside DR Horton, one of the community, Magnolia Bay, located in the nice North Las Vegas. This is a gated community with its own park, and today we are going to tour these two-story homes. The 1865 plan is 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage, and the starting price is $414,990. The HOA in this community is $56. Let's go inside and see what this house has to offer. So welcome to the 1865 plan. Right by the door you will see the video doorbell and the smart deadlock bolt. As soon as you go in, immediately on your right you will see a coat closet here with your smart paneling, and in the open layout area you notice the luxury vinyl flooring and the 8-foot ceiling. Right here, this is your open layout area. Living room is very spacious. The homeowner will really appreciate the openness and the brightness of this open concept. You are looking at your modern kitchen. It features all the stainless steel appliances. Refrigerator is included when you purchase a house. Your oven, microwave, as well as the dishwasher is included. Love this quartz island. There's plenty of cabinets here. Love the color of the cabinets. Just to point out to you guys, the green wall in this house is not included. Normally the standard color when you purchase the house is white. Now let's go check what's on this side. This is your walk-in pantry. Plenty of space. This side right here is your powder room. And right on this door, this is the 2-car garage, but unfortunately this is locked, so I cannot show you guys. Stairs going to the second floor, but before that I'm gonna show you guys the backyard so you get an idea of how spacious is it outside. So this is your backyard. Normally when you purchase the house, this comes with the dirt and not landscape. Right by the back of the house to your fence, it's approximately 18 feet to 20 feet. Plenty of room over here to relax. Right there is your AC. Let's go back inside and check the rest of the house.
As we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light, constellations will find a way through the celestial symphony. Will sway with every step.
So in this house, there's 4 bedroom upstairs as well as your laundry room. Washer and dryer is included when you purchase the house. This is the loft area. 1865 is the biggest plan that Magnolia Bay is offering. So this is a good space to entertain. You can convert this to a study room or a music room. I love that they added 2 windows here, 1 recessed light, and this is your laundry area. Luxury vinyl flooring. Washer and dryer is included when you purchase the house. And also I love that they added the shelvings here. This side is your primary bedroom. It's a very nice space. Again, the green accent wall is an upgrade. Normally it comes with a white paint. So I love that they added these big windows. You can view your park from here. Pretty spacious room. Now let's go check your primary bathroom. It comes with dual sink vanity. Love the color of the cabinets. Right here is linen closet. The side is your stand-up shower. This door is your private water closet. Now let's go check your walk-in closet. It's a decent size. Now let's go check the rest of the bedroom upstairs. This is your shared bathroom. Single sink vanity. This side is your stand-up shower. We lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams. Right here is the toilet. They also have the luxury vinyl flooring in this bathroom. So let's go check the first bedroom here. They use this as an office for now. Standard closet. I think in this room a full bed will fit. And there's another bedroom over here. Decent size. 1 window. They added 1 recessed light. Also a standard closet. Go check the other bedroom. Very nice. I love that peach accent wall. Large window and another standard closet here. Again, the second floor is very spacious. Plenty of rooms to go around. This is priced at $414,990. If you are interested of owning one of the DR Horton home, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. Normally on your first visit, you have to bring a realtor, real estate agent to represent you. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share. So that way, every time I have a new video, you will be notified. Again, there's a $56 HOA in this community, and this is gated. It also has a park, and this is a very convenient area. Outside the community, there's plenty of shopping area, restaurants, and also it's not too far from Aliante Casino. Thank you guys for watching my video.